This is the wig. Hey guys, it's me, China, back with another video. I know I've been going for so long, and if you haven't watched my other videos, I am going to school, so school has definitely been getting in the way of me doing my YouTube videos. I've been trying to find time to squeeze in to edit, and you know, it's just been really hectic, and my voice is like cracky and all over the place because I did lose my voice. I was getting a little sick. I didn't get crazy sick, but I did have a cough. It's still slightly there, but my voice just changed, so it's like in and out. It hasn't been the same since. And I know y'all looking at me like, why you got a bonnet on and your face is beat? But that's because in this video we will be putting on a braided wig. Oh my god. Yes, a braided wig. This is my first time putting on a braided wig. I've never put a braided wig on a day in my life, but I went into the beauty supply store today and I was just like, I want to try something different, you know, so fuck it, let me just waste money that I don't have. So what better way to waste money and try a wig? So I brought this braided wig. It's a 13x4 braided wig, and I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the wig. It's a wig by Outre. I don't know the exact inches, but it is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, and it is exactly this color. So this is how the wig looks. I unpacked it already, but I didn't install it. Clearly, this is how the wig looks. This is how long it is. And honestly, I feel like I should have probably stayed with just the black, but I wanted to be different. Like I said earlier, they did have a 50-inch wig, and I really was feeling that wig because it was really giving life. Like, I loved it, but something told me to try this wig. I don't know what for, but this is how the lace looks. It's not a bad lace. The top of it is really cute. I like how the top is. This is how it looks on the skin, so it's kind of pretty natural. And it's knotless as well. That's another reason why I think I had purchased it. But yeah, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I installed this wig, and just give you my overall review on this wig, and what I recommended, if I wouldn't recommend it. I'm gonna also be showing you guys some styles that you can do with this wig, and some styles that hopefully I can do and I like, because I did spend a little bit of money on this wig. I'm wondering, because I know that question is gonna come up. This wig did cost me $120, so I'm just hoping that I could figure out a way for me to like the wig. I'm hoping that I end up liking the wig on me, because this did cost $120, and I know to some people that don't mean nothing. But girl, I got kids, and that $120 could have went somewhere else. You feel me? So I'm just hoping that Brittany here, Kelly, Blondie, Sandy, Carolina gives me life, because girl, I spend $120 on you plus the tax and everything else I had to get. So it better give. So this is the wig on me, and I'm not really feeling it too much. I don't know, like, I feel like I'm not feeling it because it's like the fullness right here, like it needs to be a little more flatter. So maybe when I customize it, I would like it, or like glue it on. It did come with 2 sets of adjustable straps, so I did put it on really tight to kind of see how it would look, because you know when you put wigs on, they give you that little facelift. So let's just continue installing this to see if I could get it nice enough for me to like it. But right now I'm looking like Dr. Seuss. I mean, you know, Cat in the Hat, the movie, when he put on that wig and he was dressing up as a Jamaican. And
I'd like you to sign my petition. Yeah.
that's what it's giving right now, and I'm not feeling it. So let's try to feel it because I'm gonna be mad. Okay. In today's video, this video is not sponsored, but I did have to buy a new blow dryer because my son, the little one, he dropped my blow dryer in the, I'm still mad about it because this happened like a week ago. He dropped my blow dryer in the mop water. The whole thing, like the whole thing right here in the mop water. That shit was done. It's done, finito. So I finally went to go buy me another one. And of course, this is by Kiss. The name Red by Kiss. And it was $20. Y'all see right there, $20. Y'all can call me cheap all y'all want, but girl, this shit is like a pink purple, a hot pink purple, whatever you want to call it. And it's cute because I never had no hot pink purple hot blow dryer. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this just because the color is cute and because it's by Kiss and because I love all of Kiss products. Every time I purchase something by Kiss, it serves me well. It does not, they do not disappoint. So kudos to Kiss. I will give Okay, so this is the best. I'm gonna get my edges laid because these edges are not given, but this is the wig and I don't like it, guys. Like, at least not like this. Like, let's see to this side. It's just like, I don't know, like it's something off about this wig that it's like, I don't know. This is one way you could wear it. Put it maybe to don't know, but all I know is that I am upset that I wasted money on this wig, but it is good that you guys see me with it on because it will give you an idea of, you know, if you think you should purchase this or not. If you feel like you can pull this off, then by all means pull it off. I mean, the ombre is beautiful, the braids are beautiful, I can say that, and I do love how the lace is because I didn't even put no makeup right here. I mean, the back, obviously I would have to touch it up with makeup if I do consider wearing this, but for the most part, like I said, it is not a bad wig. It's just more so me and my preference because I'm just a straight wig girl. Like, I like curly hair. Straight hair is my favorite wig. So this was something that was extremely, extremely different for me. And I'm honestly glad I tried it because I was curious about trying a braided wig for a very, very long time. So you know what they say in life, you win some, you lose some. And in this battle, I lost. Definitely. This is the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this video served you well and gave you some information. This is going to be a nay for me only because I don't like how it looks on me, but I'm sure there is some beautiful ladies out there that can probably rock this off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and set your post notifications so you can see when my next videos are coming out. And don't forget to tell a friend and tell a friend because we are lit on here, period. I love you guys. Bye.